Morning everyone, it's Mrs. Anderson here. This video is actually for your grown-up. You can watch it if you want to, children, but you might find it a little bit boring. Okay, so I just wanted to share a few tips of things that I'm going to do at home, well, at least try, and then hopefully this won't happen. This first one I think may be down to personal preference, but I'm going to use a visual timetable. We use one in class and it helps the children see what's happening now, what's happening next, and what's happening all through the day. I find it really helps them, especially on a really sort of uncertain day, and my children sometimes benefit from it at home if you've got quite an unusual day. And the whole thing just feels completely overwhelming to me at the moment, and maybe it does to you too, so I'm quite sure it will to our children. So a little bit of guidance might just help them know what's coming. So this is a visual timetable. You can get them from Twinkle, and you can log in for free at the moment with Twinkle. I think the code is Twinkle UK Helps or something like that. Another thing I'm going to use is a rewards. So every time my children do the smallest thing, they can have a star, and when they've got 10 stars, they can have £1, which then they save up. I feel like maybe that's quite a lot of money, but it's a price I'm willing to pay at the moment. We'll see how that goes. Another thing I'm doing is my daughter has a calm area, which is in a bedroom, which she can go to relax if she's just getting a bit overwhelmed, or she can go and enjoy the space as well. But if she's finding everything a bit too much with two little brothers, she can just go there to calm herself down. I haven't set one up for my son who is 5, but I'm tempted to over the next few days. Just got to work out where it's going to be, and I'm not sure if my 22-month-old would follow the rules of calm area, so I'm leaving that for him, obviously. Another thing I'm doing that I've seen online is a lovely thing where people are encouraged that are staying at home to stick their children's artwork in their front window, and then if anyone's going for a walk, walking the dog or going out getting some exercise, the other children can see it, or the other people passing by can see it, so it might just lift everybody in this tricky time. And then finally, sorry, that's the baby. 1 second, Henry. What is it? Oh wow, Henry, that's fantastic. He's just put a Duplo person on a Duplo horse, so if that's not something to be celebrated, I don't know what is. Small things at this time. So yeah, the final thing I want to show you was this. It's called a social story, and it really clearly and honestly explains kind of what's going on to children. It's helpful for all children, young children, older children, children that maybe with ASD. Can't do 2 things at once. Oh, shall I show everyone? Oh, that's fantastic. So it just explains as well about school closures and what you'll be doing at home. Okay, so I think that's on Flip Snack, but if you just Google coronavirus social story. Okay, so I just want to say those things. I don't know if they'll be any use, but that's what I'm doing. I can't think of anything else, but if I do, I will pop on. Okay, great. Thanks.